So 97.98 Fleer Ultra Series 2 Hobby Box Break. 24 packs in a box. Sold 24 spots. Every spot gets a pack. We'll randomize our list of names here in just a second so we can see who gets which pack. Pack number 1, top left. Pack number 24, bottom right. We'll go top to bottom, left to right. So that's how we'll do things. Have had this in the freezer. Just whether or not the old wives' tale's true. Can't hurt to combat the sticking of cards. So we shall see. We shall see. So get this random going here, and then we'll get started opening this box. So get a new list. Use random.org's list randomizer. And we decided earlier we'll randomize this one 9 times. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So here's Greg on top and Greg on bottom. So there's our list of names. Give you a second to review, and then I'm going to switch our window here. All right. All right, shift our view, and then we'll get started. Update this list of names. That's from the last break we did. All right, so there we go. I've still got the chat up on another screen, so if you feel free to continue to interact there. I'll see it, even if the only downside of that is you will only see the chats that are in the platform you're in. So if you're chatting in Facebook, you'll just see the Facebooks, not what's coming through on YouTube, and vice versa. All right, so cool box. Of course, the big hit to chase is platinum medallions. Real long shots, but cool break nonetheless. 97.98 is Tim Duncan's rookie year. Of course, second year cards of Kobe, and then Michael Jordan's always a chase as well. All right, so again, top to bottom, left to right. All right. So let's see here. And we'll do it that way. That way I can not get those packs mixed up in the columns. Oh, and the way I keep the pack straight is I've just got a team bag with a number on it. So I'll put pack number 1 in bag number 1, and so on. So good luck, everybody. Got Greg up first. Oh, Diamond ink. Afraid those points won't do you any good at this point. 1 diamond ink point. NBA Rapper Rebound. We got $1 Million Moments, Tim Hardaway. Chris Mills. Let's see, that's Dennis Scott. Bobby Jackson. Let's see what we can do. There's our focus. All right. Keith Gloss. Antonio McDice. Gold Medallion Edition. And Keith Van Horn. Star Power Insert. Alan Anderson. J.R. Reed. All right. I will try not to read every card because I know that makes my break broadcast take super long. So I will try to refrain. All right. Spot number 2, Andrew Goldman. Tim Thomas, Diamond Ink. Rapper Rebound. Danny Manning. Sorry about that focus again. There we go. There is David Wingate. Gold medallion. Tim Thomas, all rookie. Nick Van Exel. All right, spot 3, Matt Heidel. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, so we got Tracy McGrady, Diamond Ink. 1 diamond point. Mullen. Yeah, maybe we can focus here. That's Garner. Kerry Kittles, 98 greats. There's the gold medallion. Tabak. I don't remember him at all. Rasheed Wallace, neat feats. Tyrone Hill. Strickland. Phils. Lauderdale. Right. Pack 4. This is Greg. Dumars. Wesley, gold medallion. Got Sweet Deal, Charles Barkley. Right, spot 5 is Greg again. More Tracy McGrady Diamond Ink. Scottie Pippen on the $1 Million Moments. Anthony Johnson. Alvin Williams. Damon Stoudemire. So that's a gold medallion on the 98 Greats. So that's cool. We got Gary Payton, the glove on Star Power. Mills, Kemp, McLeod, Rogers. Number 6, Andrew Goldman. Sean Kemp on the $1 Million Moments. Weatherspoon. Wheat. There is a gold medallion rookie, Kevin Ollie. Got all rookie Antonio Daniels for your Vancouver Grizzlies. Terrell Brandon there. Chris Mullen. All right, one column down, 1/4 of the way through the break. Okay, got those out safely to the side. All right, again, the whole next column. Spot 7 is next. Matt Overby. Joe Smith, 1 diamond point. Weber on the $1 Million Moments. Wallace. Sharif Abdur-Rahim. Here's Anthony Johnson, Gold Medallion Edition rookie. Joe Smith on the Neat Feats. Scott Burl. Right. Pack 8. And this is Aaron. Allen Iverson on the $1 Million Moments. Wesley Person. Charlie Ward. Seals. LaRue. O'Bannon gold medallion. We got Billups is the sweet deal. And Vin Baker. Daryl Armstrong. Pack 9 is also Aaron. Antoine Walker, 5 diamond points. We're high rolling now. $1 Million Moments checklist. O'Keefe. Day. And the Ultra checklist. There's Lura on the gold medallion. Shaquille O'Neal on Star Power. David Wesley. James Robinson. Antonio McDyess. Sam Cassell. A nice little hit on the Shaq on the Star Power. I guess we didn't talk pack odds, did we? I was just thinking start. Let's see, we got sweet deals, 1 every 6 packs, all rookies, 1 every 4 packs, rim rockers, 1 every 8, neat feats, 1 every 8, view to a thrills, 1 at 18, court masters, 1 out of 144, star powers, 1 every 4, star power plus, which is, parallels, 1 of 36, so 1 per box. Then the Star Power Supreme, 1 out of 288. So some cool chases in there. I don't think they gave odds on Platinum Medallion. Yeah, I don't see any. All right, but yeah. So there's fun. Should have done that on the first pack, sorry. All right, this is pack 10. So this is Scott Smith. Grant Hill, 1 diamond point. Rapper rebound. And we got Mark Jackson on the $1 Million Moments. Sham God. Travis Knight on gold medal medallion. Ron Mercer on the all rookie. Smits. Other checklist. Finley. Wingate. All right, 11. Mark Stammerman. Okay. Joe Smith, 1 diamond point. Iverson again on $1 Million Moments. Person, Chauncey Billups rookie. Grant Hill on the 98 greats. Then 98 greats. Gold medallion. Ray Allen, so that's not a bad one. Second year Ray Allen card. Then Jawan Howard, Rim Rockers. Cool set. Chris Webber. Put the rim rocker here in a sleeve. As well as that. Since so many edges on those rim rockers, sleeve them as quick as you can. But 98 greats, gold medallion Ray Allen as well. All right, 12. Sorry, that was 11. 11 was, sorry, that was Greg. I don't remember what I said. But yeah, 11 was Greg. Up next is 12, Mark Stammerman. And ripping 96 and 97 basketball just takes me back because I remember opening a ton of this stuff, not hobby, but just a ton of 96, 97, 98 basketball. Love the Kmart, those Kmart retail boxes was the stuff. That was the stuff. All right. Bryant. Stiff? I don't even remember him. Well, Court Masters, Kobe Bryant. It's a nice second year Kobe insert. Lots of embossing. Super cool card though. So yeah, Court Masters. It's a 20 card set, one out of every 144 packs. So pretty big hit there to hit Kobe on the Court Masters. So big congrats to Mark on that one. Let's see, put him in this thicker top loader. And then give him his own little label here. Very cool. All right. John Barry. Rasheed Wallace there. All right. We are halfway through this box. So 12 packs to go. Spot 13 goes to Andrew Goldman. To Dikembe Mutombo, $1 Million Moments. Camera can't quit focusing on Kobe there in the background. I may have to move him. All right, it's got Michael Finley on the gold medallion. And Kevin Garnett on the star power. And John Barry. J.R. Reed. Cherokee Parks. Ryan Williams. All right, just realized that my battery's low and I'm not plugged in apparently. So let me grab my charger real quick. So be just a second while I hook this up. I was forgetting to do something. All right. All right. I'm back and ready to roll. Where were we? Where were we? Spot 14. Mark Stammerman. Dale Ellis. All right. Rasheed Wallace on the gold medallion. So solid. Austin Crocier on the all rookie. Spot 15. Andrew Goldman. Damon Stoudemire, 98 greats. Gold medallion is Terry Mills. And it looks like here is our next rim rockers. O'Donnell Foyle. You know, that'd be a great name for another Panini parallel. O'Donnell Foyle. Spot 16, Andrew Goldman again. Jason Kidd on the $1 Million Moments. Funderburk. That's a good name. George Lynch for your Vancouver Grizzlies on the gold medallion. Then we got Sweet Deal, Akeem, the Dream, Elijah Wan. Next up, 17, Mark Stammerman. Ooh, a 10 diamond point. Now we're rolling. Living large, living large. Got Chuck on the $1 Million Moments. Laura. David Robinson, 98 Greats on the gold medallion. Very nice. And Sharif Abdur-Rahim, Star Power. Sean Kemp. All right, 18, Andrew Goldman. That was Terrell Brandon on your $1 Million Moments. Derek Anderson on the gold medallion. And Derek Anderson on the All-Rookie. Mills, Terrell Brandon. All right. 3/4 of the way done. There's the end of the box. Mm, 19. Greg. Anthony. Tracy McGrady, 1 diamond point. Mark Jackson on your $1 Million Moments. Yeah. We definitely got a cut card in there. Brian Shaw. Vaughn. Abdul Wahad. Charles Barkley on the 98 Greats. Wheat on the Golden Moments. And Who we got here? We got Charles Barkley on the Rim Rockers. Cool card. Very cool card. As an Auburn guy, of course, a little partial to Chuck. Ran into Chuck in O'Hare Airport in Chicago a few years ago. And by a few years ago, I mean sometime before the COVID time warp that we are all living in. Nice guy. The old War Eagle took a picture with me. Good stuff. 20. Ronnie Drake. Tracy McGrady. There's Chuck. Rusty LaRue. Look at that. Scottie Pippen. View to a Thrill. Very cool card. I don't remember what our pack odds were on the Views to a Thrill. I guess I need to write 20 on a sticker for this one so I don't forget. It's a nice hit there for you, Ronnie Drake. Okay, one in every 18 packs, so one per box on average. All right, 21's up next. Robert Corsaro. Kemp. Weatherspoon. Gold medallion. We got Sean Kemp on the Star Power. Baker. Clifford Robinson. Antonio McDyess. And 22. Aaron Duff. Word. Checklist. Sham God. Got Malik Sealy, gold medallion. Keith Van Horn, all rookie. Mitts. Sam Cassell there, wrapping up. All right, 2 packs to go. Mark Stammerman, pack 23. Tracy McGrady on the 1 diamond point. Penny. All right. Day. Thomas. David Robinson. Kemp. 98 Greats on the gold medallion edition. Neat feats. Checklist. All right, last pack. See if we got any last pack mojo here for Greg. Got Rashid on the back. Tim Thomas 1 point. Stefan. Chuck Person. Chauncey Billups rookie. Corey Beck. There's Carl Hera on the gold medallion. Then we got Sweet Deal, David Robinson. Hoiberg. Stith. Fox. And Rashid. So that will do it on the Fleer Ultra Box break. Beat the odds with the Court Masters. I guess we were short, just on the. Well, no, I guess not. 1 out of 36, so that'd be, 2 in every 3 boxes on the Star Power Plus. I always like the Star Power Plus, but regardless, really cool hit on the Court Masters Kobe. A few other fun Hall of Famers throughout, so not too shabby. We'll get full results posted up here in just a few minutes, and then get links posted to those as well. Appreciate each and every one of you tuning in. Appreciate those of you who bought in, and look for more cool breaks coming up next Friday. This is Burl, signing off.